Hello, welcome back to Auction Spy. This is the channel and program where we appraise properties that are going to auction in the coming days. We try and work out different strategies that can be applied to properties and work out which one's the most profitable. And in most cases, we wait till the auction happens and see what an eventual purchaser of the property pays for the lot. Today we will be looking at a lot in Birmingham, 95 Middleton Hall Road, Birmingham. Incidentally, this is the first time I'm picking a property that's marketed by Purple Bricks. It should be interesting to see if there's anything different with Purple Bricks. As you know, Purple Bricks is an online estate agent. I've only recently noticed that they've started doing auctions. So go to the legal documents. Let's look at this property first of all. What's attractive about this property is how many floors it's got. The description had 7 rooms, and I thought, this could make a good HMO. It looks like it could be a HMO, but let's see what the pictures deliver. So 3 floors, ground first and second. The floor plan, can we go this way quickly to the floor plan? Yeah, so the floor plan here isn't that huge, but you can see the different rooms, and instinctively you start to try and work out what type of strategy would apply here and how many rooms you'd get for that strategy. So here I'm thinking it looks like you can get maybe 6 rooms easily. So 2 on the top floor, can't really see the sizes, but 2 on the second floor, 2 on the first floor with a bit of a kitchen, all en suite, factoring in COVID and what's been happening, and perhaps 2 on the ground floor. It might be stretching it a bit, but still 6 room en suite, double bedrooms. That's what I'm going to appraise this for. That's my initial strategy. It may also work as a conversion. I think you might be able to get 2 flats. I don't think you'd get up to 3. The top floor isn't large enough, but you may have to do extensive work to get the number of flats you want. Now, the other thing that stands out as well is you look at the floor area. So 121 square meters, that's what the EPC says, but the floor plan says 176. So if it's 176, that says to me you can get 3 flats if you just divided it evenly using the space standards. If it's 121 square meters, that's about 2 beds. But let's appraise and see what strategy would work for this. So the postcode is B31AG. Start appraising. I need to appraise B31AG. And what's that? What's the address? 95. Okay, so it's in auction. It's a house currently. What's the guide price? Oh, fair. That's not good, is it? Okay, so let's put 0 there. Then the estate agent, Purple Bricks. Now, incidentally, I went to the legal page, the legal pack. There isn't much on here in terms of the auction rules. You can only assume that the auction rules be the usual auction rules, so you complete within 4 weeks of exchange, i.e. 4 weeks of winning the bid. Title plan, drainage and water. Maybe we can, what's this, register? Okay, allow it come in here. Oh yeah, so it's just saying, geez. Okay, let's see, what else? Local searches. Could there be anything in there? Okay. All right, so that's just the usual stuff. All right, we would have to make some assumptions. On this website, actually, they show us prices in the area. Let's see what comes up. 240, 475, 99, 395 in 2014. So It's not that cheap an area. There might be something there. Which one? Ivy Bank Nursing Home, 700 grand. Wow. Okay, so there's a bit for us to go on. 105,000. That's how much it sold for in 1998. Right. Let's appraise this. Let's see what we get. Right. Let's submit for appraisal. Yes. Save address. If we did HMO, just that. Let's do 171. Create a scheme. Let's see what comes back. Right, I'll go for this one. Oh dear. Max of us negative 63,000. Right, okay. Let's go into the scheme unit. So what it's saying is this is not encouraging, is it? Okay, so 2 single rooms en suite and 4 double rooms en suite. Okay. I suppose even if we change this one to double room en suite, so Valak gives us rough prices for the area. So double en suite is the top. A single en suite is that 780. So maybe there was a double en suite at 780. So double room en suite, the max price is 650. Let's go with the max, because you might be able to get the max actually. But even at that, it's still not working. Oh my gosh. Right, so this one, I'm afraid, would not work as a HMO. The numbers are just way too low. Unless the auctioneer decides that, or the seller decides to give it away at £10,000. Things to think about is Article 4. I believe Article 4 is being introduced in Birmingham, in certain parts of Birmingham, so you need to look out for that. Article 4 just means that you cannot easily convert the property to HMO. You'd have to apply for planning permission, which doesn't rule it out completely. It just means that it delays your progress. But Article 4 is something to look out for. Get a planning consultant to have a look. I'm afraid this wouldn't work as a HMO. So if we go back to appraisals and see if we converted it to 2 flats, let's say did that, created a scheme. Let's call this my conversion. Right, that's even low as well. Let's see what the scheme gives us. It's got 3 flats at 270. Oh, is it done? Just 1 3-bed. Okay, so in this case we want to do 2 beds. So we'll do 2-bed and a 3-bed. Let's go. Even at that, with a GDV of 543, doesn't quite work. With the sort of sale prices in the area, I think these numbers are not quite working. So I think this would have to be a refurb and sell. Conversion's not working, definitely. HMO isn't working. If we look at the appraisals, so this would have to be a flip. Now we'll make it a 4-bed with multiple receptions. Let's go. So it's processing the flip. What does it come back with? Ooh, estimated offer of 233. That's more like it. Okay, so on this occasion, I think a flip might be the way to go. So refurbish it, do into a 4-bed apartment, maximum offer of 233, and it reckons that you could get a market price of 323. So that's pretty good. So I'll save that. So if you're going to auction, you shouldn't be offering any more than 200,000, and it seems to me that the best option for this property would be to do it as a flip. So that is my verdict for today. Thank you for watching Auction Spy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Post any comments in the chat, and I'll be quite happy to respond. Thank you for watching.